And I'm back. You're watching. Hold up, I think my dog needs to be let out. Howdy everybody, Patticus here. Today I want to talk about two things that I use for the van. One of which I purchased back in October and didn't get a chance to use because it was cold out and I wasn't ready to clean the van. And something I've had for some short time now is the Abvot. I don't think, it's not a compressor, but it's like compressed air, but it's rechargeable and it does that. So in place of compressed air, because I was finding compressed air hard to get a hold of. There goes a hay van. Trailer, not a hay van. Anyway, enough distraction. Let's talk about things. Should be a link down below. Check this out. So I got this because getting compressed air was hard to get, and this looked like a great alternative to tossing out those cans and stuff, or going to grab a compressor. Plus, it's good for nooks and crannies to blow those out and get things clean and all that. And I don't even know why I'm yelling. So this is handy. Bunch of things. USB-C too. Nice. Nice to have. The other item is the Fanttik. So, portable, like travel vacuum. You got your instruction manual, cleaning brush for said vacuum, your hose, really handy. You can get into crevices and stuff like in between seats and area that's hard to get. Like upholstery, rug, whatnot attachment. You've got, the famous, tiny little sucker thing, whatever you call it. It's also got a brush that connects. And great storage options with these too, because you can keep that together in case you need it. And then the Fanttik. USB-C charging, perfect for travel. You got your on and off here. Turbo button. Shuts right off. Really good suction on this. Attachments attach nice and easy. You put them on right. That was right. I was doing that right. So it's nice because you have the brush here, so keep these two together. You take the brush, put it off there. Got your extension hose, which is great. And the stuff comes off and on pretty easy, and I don't think I probably need to show you that. You can disconnect it, similar to other vacuums on the market. This feels well built too, and I really like it. It feels quality. You've got your filter, easy to pull out, and then you can clean it. And then I'll show you that in a bit, which is handy because if you have your Abvot, you can clean out your filter like so. But then you've got your canister that holds the dirt, which this is a pretty nice little canister. It holds quite a bit. Lock her back in. It shows you on the back, locked and whatnot. It's got a good safety latch on it, so you got to do your safety latch. And then it opens. Then you dump it. So, bet you're curious how this works or see it in action. Well, guess what? You're in store for that. Coming up next, let's suck some dirt. As you can see, it's not the fastest. I can't see there. And that's with the brush on it. We'll take the little brush off. I was pretty sure we need to kick into turbo mode. Of course, this wouldn't be an area I would typically vacuum, but just kind of showing you. I don't know if you can see inside. Let's grab a little light here. But there's that. Let's see if I can move over here. Anywhere else I was. The hard to reach areas is what I was looking more towards. Getting in there. Kick into turbo. There's that. Now, as I mentioned, the Abvot, you can blow some areas out with the little Abvot, and then go vacuum stuff up. And there's like that, like up here. Just cleaning. I haven't cleaned it since summer. I like turbo. Let's get in there. It's got great suction, but you can use it on seats and everything like that. Overall, I really like it. Now let's bring you out. See if we can see how much dirt's in it. And like I said, just taking that off. Pull the filter out. That's what it picked up. Gravel, all of that. Put her back together. There you go. The Fanttik and the Abvot. I just like saying it. It's pretty fun. All right, let's go see if there's anywhere else to get in here. I mean, it does pretty good on the low end. Kick that turbo in. Yeah. But like I said, I got it more for the hard to reach areas and everything, because this you could do at the car wash or your shop vac, whatever you're looking at. But yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more videos up to come, and yeah, probably some more on the van. Later.